Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert watermark in Excel. Whether it's text or an image, you can easily make it appear as a watermark in your Excel sheet. Let's get started. First off, locate the Insert tab and click on it. From there, select Text Header and Footer. Now, within this section, you'll find the option for inserting a picture. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose a picture from either your computer or an online source. Pick your image. Click Insert, and voila! Your image is added, but it might not be perfectly placed or sized. To refine it, revisit the Insert tab, click on Header and Footer again, and this time, opt for Format Picture. Here, adjust the picture size and brightness to your liking. You can even wash it out a bit to ensure it's not too overpowering. If the sizing still seems off, no worries. Head back to Insert tab, click on Header and Footer again, select Format Picture, and then adjust the picture size within the footer settings. Shrinking it down to fit nicely within your sheet is key. Center it using simple alignment tools to make sure it's perfectly placed. Now, if you're looking to add text as a watermark, follow a similar process. Go to the Insert tab, Header and Footer, type in your desired text. And play around with font sizes, styles, and even colors to achieve the watermark effect. Make sure it's visible yet subtle enough not to distract from your spreadsheet. And that's it. You've successfully set up your picture or text as a watermark in Excel. It's an easy and effective way to personalize your sheets. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more contents like this.